So in my experience, usually one of three things happens. Sometimes people will change their budget. We never know if they have the ability to spend more than they want to, but we do see that happen sometimes so that people will get that desired location. The other thing that we'll see happen is in order to get the desired location, a buyer might choose the condition that they will accept. So to get desired location and desired budget, we'll get a fixer-upper and we'll do some TLC to create over time. Maybe we have a 2 to 3 year plan for that forever home. And the third thing that we'll see frequently is that some folks, they're just not handy and they're not gonna take on that stress and those variables. So in order to stick to their desired budget and their desired condition, the Pinterest house, they'll change their location. And so they'll drive further for that house. So I say in those instances, right, you're gonna pay for it somewhere. You're either paying for it in your monthly mortgage or you're paying for it in your commute, in the traffic that you deal with. But you're gonna pay for it somewhere, right? Or you pay for it in the renovation and the updates. There is always a sacrifice to be made. And this is what I say just about life in general. Anything worth having is a real hassle.